Hold it right there, wait for the swell. Okay, lower it into the tank now. Hold the line steady. Watch the starboard side. Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the starboard side. Clear on the left, keep it coming up. All right, easy now, easy. Watch the line, she's heavy. All right, bring her down easy. That's a lot of crab.
Once the traps reach the seafloor, the crabs are immediately drawn to the bait fish inside, making escape difficult.
Watch the cable, bring her down easy. All right, easy now. Watch the swing, watch the swing. Steady, steady now. Grab that leg. Watch the legs, bring it down slow. Heavier on the port side, careful now. All right, it's clear, drop it. All right, easy now, lower it down. Watch the starboard line, hold it steady against the swell. Almost there, bring it home. Ready to lift, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got him. Pull him up, watch the claw. I've got the legs. All right, bring it over here. All right, lift, heave. Pull it up. And dump. Swing, hold it steady. Heave, bring it down easy now. Hold it steady. Bring it left now. Watch the ice, lower it down. Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the legs, he's still fighting. All right, got him, lower, lower. Watch the swing on the starboard side. Heave, lift it up now. All right, hold it steady. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, watch your side.
I've got this monster.
All right, swing it towards the bin. We're filling up fast. lift with your legs, come on. All right, moving this one out. Watch your hands, set it down easy now. All right, opening the latch. Stand clear. Hold on tight. Watch that wave coming over the bow. Secure the lines. Watch the line. Heave now, pull it clear. Secure that stack before the next wave. Heave. Get that line tight now. It's frozen solid, hold it. Bridge, we got the pot secure. Bring her up slow.
Watch your footing, Cap. This one's heavy.
Secure the line now. Pull hard, watch the swell. Watch the next wave, secure the gear. Hold on tight, everyone. All right, heave. Pull hard now.
Heave. Watch it clear the rail.
Almost there. Keep it coming up. All right, men, heave. Lift it up now. Clear on the starboard side. Hold it steady. Watch the swing. Bring her down easy. All right, hold it steady. Set it down now. Steady, steady, lift it up. Clear on this side. Get a grip on that chain. Careful, he's swinging wide. Secure it. them moving. Don't let the line stop. We need more yellow bins over here. Watch the swell, keep them iced. Easy, easy. Bring her down to the mark. Easy, easy. Watch the ice. Bring that crate over here quickly. Careful, they're heavy. All right, push it left. Got it. Secure the strap. Watch your left side. Bring that pallet right here. Hurry it up, we need this clear. Watch the clearance on the left. Bring it down slow now. Clear the bay, I'm coming through. Bring it straight back now. 0.18, good to tag.
The paperwork says 200 units for this shipment.
Yeah, but this crate only has about 150 legs. The count is off. Make sure they go into BHOE 531.
We need more space over here.
Send these to Station 3.
We need more ice over here.
All right, bring it back straight. Easy now, right there. Bring it in slow, watch the straps. Make sure that tape holds tight. Careful with the top crate, watch the steam. Bring the straps over here, we need to secure this load quickly.